Hello guys, Julianne here from Just8ate.com, and today we're going to be doing mail call dab because I checked my P.O. box today and I got some awesome aiders that are sending me stuff through the mail in my P.O. box. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you before I open them. Thank you so much. And so I'm so excited. So one is from Kevin. So I'm just like, okay, I think I know what this is. But let's open it. And one is from Nibert from Florida. I'm excited to open. Let's open these.
Yeah.
I'm excited to open. Let's open these. So I'm gonna have my handy dandy scissors here. Oops. Okay. Don't want you guys to see my address over here. Not my address, but their address. You know what I'm saying? Being very careful, because I'm gonna respect my aiders, because I love my aiders. That's right. My scissors, come on, work. Okay, so da 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 da. Are you ready? Oh, do, 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 do. That is sick, man. As in, like, awesome. Not sick, like that sick. As in, like, this is so cool. This is gonna go in my fridge. You guys see that sticker? So Kevin is from Trap Bistro. He is a YouTube chef, YouTube cook, and so definitely check out his video and his channel. I will go ahead and leave the link in the description box below, as well as in the iCard somewhere here if I could. And yeah, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Kevin. Mwah! All right, so I love the colors, man. His colors are purple and green, and there's like that spooky feeling. Okay, all right, I'm so stoked. Thank you so much, Kevin. I swear, when my stickers finish, my sticker guy's taking them forever. So when they finish, I'm gonna send you mine, and I'm hoping that it goes on your fridge too. But I will take a glimpse of the fridge here. Yes. All right, so Nibert, I'm opening yours. I'm opening your. I love how it's big. I like when it comes big. All right. Oh, check it out. Check it out. Do you see? Do you see? Oh, that is so, it's like a bumper sticker even. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, in the back it says, hey Julianne, really enjoyed your channel and your energy. Take care, Rob and Duke. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. It'll be on my fridge. All right. If you have not checked out Barbecue Pit Dog, definitely check them out. I will leave the link in the description box below, as well as in the iCard here on the screen. I love it when I receive things in the mail, you guys. I love it. Here is the P.O. Box address for anyone that would like to send me stuff. That would be great. I'm loving the whole you guys sending me business cards or magnets or stickers like this one and this one. Dude, super cool, right? Yeah. All right. So, and hey, if you have not hit the red subscribe button and the bell and you really enjoyed this kind of video, definitely hit the like button for me because it helps out the channel. Yeah. And maybe you want to share it out with your family and friends. Because, I don't know, they might like it too. You never know. Yeah. All right. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. That's my clock, y'all. It's telling me what time it is. And Rob and Duke, thank you so much for sending me your bumper sticker. Barbecue Pit Dog. Check out their YouTube channel whenever you can. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Kevin, Rob, and Duke, for sending me your awesome stickers. Here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video.
Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.